Hey, welcome. Next, we're going to talk about basic operations on the V-160 HD. So to operate the menu, just a couple tricks here. So when you press the menu button, it's going to appear on the LCD screen and HDMI output 3. There are 24 different menu options on this model. And to select one, you simply push the enter with the value knob here, and then you can scroll and enter submenus or options. And you see when you push on an option, you can then change what's in it and then confirm by pushing enter again. To go back one page, you just hit exit. To exit the menu completely, just press menu again. And also the monitor view. So we'll get into setting the output formats in a bit, but here you can choose 4 different options, whether you want to do the multi-view. Note that this affects the LCD and HDMI output 3, which I have up here. So the multi-view, which is your first 8 cross points, preview and program, plus audio meters for embedded sources, as well as the whole mix up in the program box there. So 16 input view is all 16 physical inputs, SDI 1 through 8 and HDMI 1 through 8. And so those are all active. Now I don't have anything connected to 11 of these. So keep in mind that those are blank because there's nothing connected. And then that green dot you see right there means that that input is the aux output source. So you'd see if I press this these aux keys, it moves around when SDI1 is selected as the aux output. 16 still image view, so you can import up to 16 still images. Note that the more you have, it adds to the boot time. So if you don't have any, it'll boot the fastest, and you can delete them in the still image menu. And then program, if you need to see a program on the built-in LCD better, you can switch over to it from the multi-view, and you'll see which source is on program. I'll go back to the multi-view there. All right, so that's it for basic operations. Next, we're going to cover video input and output settings.